With the blessings of our respected dignitaries and in the spirit of service to humanity, we are delighted to the launching of Naropa Care. Thank you, everyone.
It is my privilege to extend a heartfelt welcome to our distinguished guests this evening. Our chief guest, Shri Ashish Kundra, IAS, Chief Secretary, Union Territory of Ladakh. Our guest of honor, His Eminence Sri Pathak Sirimbuchi, the former Chief Executive Councillor, Advocate Tashi Galson, Ms. Bhanu Prabha, IAS, Administrative Secretary, Higher Education, President, Ladakh Buddhist Association, Shri Thring Dorje Lakruk, President, Ladakh Kumpai Association, Geshe Lobsang Tashile, Shamsut of different monasteries, respected monks and nuns, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Rinjit Chosdon, Medical Superintendent Dr. Yamcha Dorma, respected heads of all religious organizations and our other esteemed guests, partners and friends. On behalf of Lift Club International, we warmly welcome you all to the launch of Naropa Care grant. Naropa Care is a healthcare initiative of Lift Club International dedicated to strengthening healthcare access and delivery across Ladakh by supporting local, community-driven solutions that respond to the needs of remote and undeserved populations. Lift Club International was founded in 2008 with a simple yet powerful vision to build a resilient Himalayas through compassion-driven action. What began as a grassroots movement has since grown into a global organization with chapters across Asia, Europe, and North America, united by a shared commitment to environmental stewardship, healthcare, cultural preservation, education, and women empowerment. Through our Eco-Path Yatra and Cycle Yatras across the Himalayas, we have educated communities about environmental preservation by leading by example and collecting millions of pieces of trash along the way. Our environmental work is perhaps best reflected in our tree planting campaigns. In one historic effort, 55,000 trees were planted in 33 minutes, earning a Guinness Book of Record. A record later surpassing Ladakh itself with 1 million trees planted, proving that large-scale environmental action is possible even in the most remote Himalayan terrain. This same spirit of long-term community-rooted commitment has guided our work with healthcare. For the past 13 years, we have conducted free cataract surgeries across Ladakh, restoring sight and dignity to those who would otherwise have had little access to specialist care. Naropa Care is the natural next step in this journey, a move beyond individual interventions towards strengthening the wider healthcare ecosystem of the region, so that quality care reaches every community, however remote. This evening's launch brings together representatives from government departments, healthcare institutions, civil society organizations, and community leaders, all working towards the well-being of the people of Ladakh. A key part of the program will be the formal recognition of our selected Naropa Care grantee organizations who will implement healthcare initiatives across the region over the coming year.
Thank you very much, Ms. Dixon Angole, for sharing the inspiring vision behind Naropa Care. Thank you very much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, one of the most inspiring moments of today's evening has now arrived. Naropa Care believes that sustainable healthcare begins with communities themselves. And today we are celebrating 5 remarkable organizations whose dedication is transforming lives across our region. And we actually have received 30 expressions of interest for the Naropa Care grant. Out of this, 15 organizations were shortlisted to present their project proposal. Following a rigorous selection process, 5 organizations were selected to receive Naropa Care grant. And to present the Naropa Care grant memento, may I invite our chief guest, Ashish Kundra sir, Chief Secretary, UT Ladakh, and our guest of honor, His Eminence Sri Pathak Sirimbuchi, former Chief Executive Councillor, LHDC, Advocate Tashi Galson, to kindly come forward on stage. May I also invite Mr. Arjun Pandey and Ms. Wendy Lee to kindly join our dignitaries on stage. The organization is expanding access to cervical and breast cancer screening for women living in Zanskar region of Ladakh, helping detect illness at an early stage and ensuring timely medical care. So may I now request the representative of Mahabodhi Meditation Center to kindly come forward to receive the Naropa Care Grant. Of Mahabodhi Meditation Center, Ladakh Ecological Development Group, LEDEC and Plainable Co. And this organization is working to improve the health and well-being of the sanitation workers by providing comprehensive medical screening, early diagnosed and preventive health care for one of the Ladakh's most unserved communities. Congratulations to LEDEC, Ladakh Ecological Development Group and Plainable Co. for receiving the Naropa grant from our dignitaries. I request everyone for a huge round of applause, please. We receive the memento from our dignitaries. Congratulations. It is screening, community-based care and long-term support closer to remote communities. Seva Green Foundation is receiving the memento from our dignitaries. Congratulations. Living in remote region of Ladakh. So may I request the representative of Sensu to kindly come forward and receive the memento from our dignitaries. Our next organization is Ladakh Heart Foundation here. So I request representative of Ladakh Heart Foundation and Zamo to kindly come forward and receive the memento from our dignitaries. On the stage, I once again congratulate our Zamo organization for receiving the memento from our Chief Guest Ashish Kundra sir and Second Minister Dr. Rinpoche and dignitaries. Thank you very much and congratulations once again. Your commitment is creating healthy and to kindly present the souvenir to our chief guest of today's auspicious occasion, Ashish Kundra sir, who are the Chief Secretary, Union Territory of Ladakh. Thank you very much, sir. I request His Eminence Dr. Rinpoche to kindly present the souvenir to former Chief Executive Councillor, Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council Day. Thank you very much. I request Ashish Kundra sir to kindly address the gathering, sir.
Drupa Tukse Rinpoche for having invited me here for this very special occasion. I see President of LBA also is here, of Gompa Association, former CEC, Kung Fu nuns whom we met yesterday in Tia village where I had gone. I don't know whether it's the same group or some other group, but in Tia village they were there. Sangasena ji and President of the Women's Wing, LDA, and everybody else whom I have not been able to name. I think it's a commendable initiative which has been taken, where a foundation established by a monastery is in spaces of healthcare entrepreneurship, environment, and education also, I think yes. So it's a commendable initiative, and I think it has, what I particularly liked was that Yak Tank, which was mentioned, to select entrepreneurs, and I think there are clear areas where we can perhaps the UP administration can partner with this foundation. 2-3 things come to mind especially. One is, as you said, that you do health checkups in some areas. I would strongly urge you to focus on the border areas, especially of Changthang and Kargil and Dras, and all these parts, and of course Nugra. That is one area. The second is, since you're also into health education, recently the Prime Minister had was reviewing the TB control program, and the number of cases in Ladakh, we have reached a critical mass where we can potentially become TB free. So there are 4 or 5 territories where we can do this. I think that's an area where we can partner for educating, so that people take their medicine at the right time, what to avoid, the health kits which are provided, etc., etc. Then again on the Yak Tank which I mentioned earlier, it's a great initiative where we can partner to identify budding entrepreneurs, because the youth here, they are largely dependent currently on government jobs, and we have to break that dependence somehow. And I think that's an area of a high priority personally for me, of course for the UP administration also. One area which somehow didn't find mention was the issue of drug control. So I would very much urge, and through the monastery, through the nuns and through the monks, and also the LBA and LGA, to sort of work together, work with us, and tell us what is it that we can do for counseling the parents, those youngsters who have become unfortunately addicts, and how to bring them back to society. So there's a great opportunity, and I must commend once again the foundation for having taken such steps, which has a potential of scalability. And I can assure you from my side that we will be happy to sort of partner with anything to do with the TNS Foundation, which has been set up under TNS Monastery. It will be our pleasure. Thank you very much.
And I think time and time again, through action, he has led, countless initiatives and movements. So thank you, Minister. To all our distinguished guests and partners and friends, as you join us today, it is both a privilege and a humbling experience for me. I have had the pleasure and the privilege of volunteering with Live to Love for the better part of maybe 16 plus years, and directly under His Holiness the Gyalwant Trungpa. So I consider it one of my life's greatest achievements to actually have been anywhere near these great spiritual masters who are doing amazing work. And that work is always compassionate and giving back to society. That is what they teach. They teach through compassion in action, shaped by work, and Live to Love represents this. So this evening I would like to share that the journey that led to the creation of Naropa was not a few months ago. It was maybe a decade or more ago. Every single time, somewhere in a remote Himalayan village, if someone needed, communities needed help, care, access, ambulances, some instant relief, between informally, either the monasteries or Live to Love or anyone would step in. But it left a clarion call that we must do something much larger and in a proper constructed manner to reach out to people on an ongoing basis.
I would just like to take a moment to recognize how beautifully diverse this room is right now. We have people from all different lineages, from different religions, from different aspects of Live to Love, who do animal rescue, who work in education. We even have age diversity. Our youngest Kung Fu nun, Jignet Chandra, is only 12 years old, and she's been in Ladakh teaching Kung Fu to the youth and participating in some of the Naropa Care activities as well. So I think this is the real spirit of Ladakh, which is inclusion, diversity, and doing the best we can from where we feel our passion rising and doing it to help others. So I just want to acknowledge how wonderful it is to be in a room with everybody tonight. If Live to Love has taught me anything over the years, it is that you cannot be kind without being strong. There is a misconception in the West sometimes. I'm from America. There's a misconception that kindness is a sign of weakness, timidness, a willingness to give up or give in. But all of us here in this room know that is absolutely not true. From the months-long bicycle yatras against human trafficking, to the thousands of kilometers trekked by Eco Padyatra participants to remove plastic from the Himalayan waterways, to the example set by our on-ground partners, the Kung Fu nuns, we all know that kindness requires courage, action, and sometimes even physical muscle. Last week, I had the honor of joining Live to Love in Nubra with Sense Food and in Changtang with Siwa for a few inaugural Naropa Care activities that kicked off early. When in Changtang, there was an unexpected delay in activities on our first day there. So the Siwa team, led by Jigment Paldor and Dr. Stanzin, who are in the audience, they rushed to another village in those few precious hours of delay because they wanted to serve more elderly patients in that time. They did not even want to waste those 2-3 hours, so they rushed over to another village. I was very, very moved by their genuinely kind and proactive spirit. And I can only imagine all the countless positive deeds that the Naropa Care grantees will bring forth in the months to come.
Dene tatasa dena machine mata Naropa Care mo dene mata launch started. Ka bo mata live to love dene umbrella je dene nyapo nyamro da mata sala za chesu live to love ka bo nira yeja some kinken ba no jambo jawan rupe lo ma po shimane guzuk za ka bo dene mata tin ngwa dene mata education dene heritage preservation mata dena machine mata cheju environment ala chala za ches dena machine mata da health care, the Mampushi, Yetelo, Napana Soshi, Tinaneta, Tirimata, Naropa Care, or launch that day, Kabo Lasan and Coat in Tirim, Yampa, Zufmeton, Junakato, Kabo Mata Zumo, Mampushi Yetelo, Kabo Tirim, Latasana Yuan or something, Mata Sapetu and Metal. Pomen and Quaintro, Puset and Quaintro, Gengon Puni Zuxpo, Yentro, Homo Shigina, Madame Special with breast cancer, so. Itu nampak tak soksen mama pushi yote no kabo mata tiring sopa mata mampushi moni na mata macho mazela tuga no tela sope mata gengon puni intro mampushi mata ta healthcare na ko mata chava za koshis mama poete no sombaza ladas no tanpoji skitpoji gyopos na mi zuxpo khamte kya da yomoseno mi lobjong kya da yomoseno khoryu kya da yomoseno sombaza te changma deni mata deni little da yoga temo yomuchi Kalau dalam tu ni yoga, ini dilim semua spesial pada mata ya. Lipsan dalam yoga, aikem, migi syakcut, ini latas tam semua celas mampu jadi ni saya sampai sekitar. Nanti zaskala narupa kem juspin, mami mampu amig pespin, kargil dalam juspin, tenan masih dalam mata latas nam kula juspin, ni nam kula juspin, tenan masih dalam mata lam cuba dia nubra dalam zati. Semua dia dah supaya mampu sih kau mata jumpa yang po, jadi jumpa di sana mata hill council. Juste yupet gata shigelsen skunden kong desan se juste yupet kong kun da nyampo kong kun nyampo rob mongpo 되는 컨센트 통네 자때 마당 정말 송절라 되는 데서나 나타 맹강나 공군 가식 주스에 뺀마 되는 공군이 되는 데링 맹강나 식스나 마다이 미기 멘줄 자체스 미신 침모직 되는 데링 마타마이 원라 되는 나로바이 마다 아이템 두스나 나티 묘스테 풀때 요 가보니 자만 보지 캔티 멜주스나 정말 되는 같이 예전에 호스피탈에 있었던 오빠 니자마 아리스 캔체스노 송바데 디본 되는 데링 템파 이 미신고 자나가도 되는 데링 나다세 미망 망포지가 미게 멘추스 비아 또 용체스 미신마 침모직 되는 데링 나다스 temporal luces dong literally ada lu zate punte yetelo sombasan spade din na shina tani spera ma po juma ko teni mata chiso ana jato chosti ko manba teni ilzo ke chala kana ko ma teni mampoji zate no tani chinche da yina ya teri sangi dusan stumpe tana ta jaks to ba yintro ala teri ni dusla ma khaspo cha ni je sang six no tugo mampoji chungdus na tong tena na shana mata don담 연소에 통해 또 지 참여도가 마다 규정 망포지 대간에 셨을 미 망포지가 조무 망포지 마다 요한 직장이노 띠 정마되는 마다 잡도 주시스 페야 되는 나로 베기야 드링 받아 마다 모두 자띠 되는 드링 되는 이자 출력 성매 우체당 되는 이자 성매이가 막 갑자기 주스리가 템체스과 년ning 당관에 두지 치주시스 되는 마다 성매 레와이 되는 마다 성마 나다스 바시 인바상 되는 계란당 마랑면바 마다 줌당 게르면바 드링 줌아 차라자 까니토 마당 드링 시다 차라자 까니토 드링 주독 마다에 가족 크리스천 아스타나 자까니토 무슬만 아스타나 자까니토 남파 아스타나 자까니토 가족신가 아스타나 자까니나 드링 마당 정말 집주스테 계란당 마랑면바 마다 라다고 마 야라당 퓨전 마 단포 띠낭니 경마다 라다스 용체진이 다 주고군 야라자 보시서 막 같이 드링이 되서 냅세 요대로 소마제 디피야 드링 마당 상매 직전에 도와 드링 마당 염중 자데 차가 자체스 얘네 두슬레처럼 되는 다 많아 렉송스는 캐랑나랑 제 두체스 나타서 송바서 디고 되는 하나 직자들 되는 나타서 we have to make it more healthier, more happier, more better 나타서 제라도 대중시마다 자고시서 막 같이 모두 디비앙이 이제구나 주어폴린 얘네 다사 chief secretary 조미나 홍가 다사 모두 나타서 막 얘네 파트너십 연포 얘네 라스트 조인 모데 몰라자츠 얘네 기고 덴파 나마 지주부시스노 다 답변의 순서 되니 상례상 죽배가 되니 I want to thank from depth of my heart to my dear friend Mr. Arjun Bande who came all the way from Delhi, traveled especially for this event. So you have been working very hard to success all our many projects. Maybe many of you must have seen or heard about him because these are the people who walk behind the scene, who doesn't need any picture, any name, any clap, nothing, but they work very hard for our future Ladakh, for our Live to Love, for many things. So thank you very much. And Live to Love, I also wanted to thank Gary Lee, who is not here today. She lives in America, who is a sister of Windy here today. It's her sister. So both of the sisters working very hard to make this Live to Love and to success all our activities. So thank you very much, Windy, for taking and you and all your team here today. And Rizin, thank you very much for she's representing Live to Love here in Ladakh. And Tashi Ji, and all of you, thank you very much. And they are the pillar of Naropa Care and Live to Love. So thank you very much for all my team and all my people